Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Business Buffoons. Me and Ahmed couldn't meet today because we've been busy with work, so we're gonna do the video like this. I'm in a Lamborghini with my badass mentor. My TikTok got 650 views, so it went down from the last one. And my Instagram reel got 19 views, so it was a big effing flop. That's a quick update for today. Tomorrow will be way more in depth, and I'll also explain why I'm in this cool car. It's my day job. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
My name is Ahmed, and I'm going to give you my update on the product I'm testing for TikTok organic dropshipping. So I posted a video on TikTok and a video on Instagram Reel as usual, and the TikTok video got 1,100 views, which is really good. I'm consistently getting 1,000 views again for that product, so I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm gaining followers consistently as well. I think I'm at like 90 followers for that count, which is good. It's not where we want to be because we want to get to a clickable link in bio, but it's still some progress. And then on Instagram Reels, I have 102 views on the reel I posted. That's good, but I want to get to the thousands range very soon. And I think I know a way to do that. I'm going to start adding comments to the videos. And then also for our personal TikTok page and our personal Instagram page for the YouTube channel, so at Business Buffoons, we posted videos on there. The TikTok video got like 702 views, which is really good, but we gained 2 followers. So we're at 19 followers for the TikTok page for our account. And like, I really appreciate every single one of you that's following us, following our journey. We really want to keep you guys entertained with those videos because they look more funny. We're trying to keep the audience engaged and just show off our personality more on those pages. And yeah, so I appreciate everyone that's followed us. That's my update. I want to keep it short. And yeah, Azim is going to edit the format of the video to make it more watchable. We apologize for like this vertical format. We're not at our like normal space where we can record our video together. But we still appreciate every single one of you for watching, and we appreciate all of our new subscribers. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys